Stacey, 32, co-hosts the C4 baking show with Liam Charles but found herself unable to speak after sampling the very hot ingredient. The mum of 4 was offered the chance to try a French herbal liqueur made by monks on a spoon, but she instantly regretted it. Before even taking a gulp, Stacey had told French Bake Off contestants and professional chefs David and Cydric, "It's burning my eyes." She then struggled to speak and flapped her hands around before gasping, "It burns." David and Cydric, who are now based in Birmingham and have been pals for 35 years, found the moment hilarious. Stacey was announced as the latest co-host of Bake Off the Professionals earlier this year, replacing Tom Allen. But the star, who is usually found on the Loose Women panel, initially found the job tough. Stacey exclusively told The Sun's TV mag how she thought she was going to cry after the filming finished for the opening episode. "My first weekend of filming was so dramatic," Stacey recalled. "I thought, is this normal? It was intense and crazy. It was just really frantic and a lot happened. Honestly, my heart sank so many times on that first episode. One thought I was going to cry." Despite the stress, Stacey insisted that working on the Bake Off, the Professionals was like being part of a family. "I was really nervous, but they genuinely made me feel like I was part of the family immediately," she explained. "Thank goodness for this, to have a bunch of people who really care about the show and want you to do well. A really lovely environment."